Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for ClickFunnels, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for ClickFunnels, start by visiting the ClickFunnels website. Look for the Start Free Trial button on the homepage. Click on this button to proceed to the registration page. You will need to enter your email address. Create a strong password for your new account. Fill in your first name and last name in the designated fields. Once all required information is provided, click the Get Started button. You may be prompted to select a pricing plan. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. After selecting your plan, provide your payment information. Enter your credit card details or choose an alternative payment method. Review the terms and conditions before finalizing your registration. Once everything looks good, click the Complete Order button. You will receive a confirmation email with further instructions. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This will direct you to your new ClickFunnels dashboard. Once there, you can start creating your first funnel. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. You're now ready to explore all that ClickFunnels has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.